Today we're going to learn how to draw a basic body. So all you need is a pencil, and if you want to, you can use a reference. So let's get started. When drawing a body, you must first look at the anatomy. So when you look at a girl or girl anatomy, you can see that the hips are wider. Atomically, this is for birth, but let's see, just the easy way to help you draw it. Let's see, let's start the body off. Let's draw the head. I am editing right now and realized that it was going to take too long to explain. So in basic terms, a circle for the head, a box for both the torso and the hips, and then some circles for the shoulders and elbows. That's pretty much all. Now, I think some of you have seen my videos and curious on how I draw different aspects. So let's get started. Now it is time for shading. Since we got the body down, let's start on that. So first, I like to go to the darkest spots. So just figure out where those might be. Okay, since now you have your darker areas, now just slightly go over it. Just the softer areas where you can just touch it up just a little bit. That's pretty much all for the video. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you can subscribe to see more of my content.